Do you want to know where to find the best Captcha jobs? Here are some of the best sites where you can do Captcha jobs and make up to $500 per month. One of the easiest ways to make money from home is to do a Captcha job. You just have to work as a Captcha solver on sites that need that done. There are many places online where you can work as a Captcha solver to earn money. But not every platform will pay real money for Captcha jobs. You could end up with a Captcha site that is full of spam and will never pay you. Then you'll be wasting your time. Today we are going to discuss the best places to do Captcha jobs up to $500. All of these sites are real and have a lot of positive reviews. So, as a Captcha solver, you can earn real money. But before we begin our countdown, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. 12. Pentagon. Pentagon is another place where you can work as a person who solves Captchas. Pentagon is more than 15 years old. That means that it's a good place to work. There are a lot of jobs you can do online, like entering Captchas. Pentagon says that you can make between $67 and $134 per month if you work 2 to 4 hours a day, depending on how fast you work. You just need to sign into your account and go to the working area. You'll see a Captcha image load on the working area. To get paid, you must solve 1,600 Captchas correctly each month. 11. Captcha 2 Cash. Captcha 2 Cash is a great site for people who want to make money by decoding Captchas. You'll make more money the more you type. As a Captcha solver, you can make $1 for every 1,000 Captchas you solve. You need to sign up with mega typers using their code and then start working. The more you type, the more money you'll make. 10. Fast Typers. Check out this website if you want to make a good amount of money by solving Captchas. You will get $1.50 for every 1,000 Captchas you solve. Also, they are letting you set your own hours. 9. Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the best sites for freelancers who want to do Captcha jobs. You can join this platform and offer your service to solve Captchas. You can choose when you work and how much you charge for your service. You'll also be able to build your profile around the skills you have to get more traffic. So, if you want to work as a Captcha solver, use this freelancing site. 8. The Smart Crowd. You can also do Captcha jobs on the Smart Crowd platform. One of the best things about this site is that they give you the freedom to work whenever you want. Once a month, you'll get your money. The harder you work, the more money you'll make. Work will be given to you on its own. So, have patience as you work for this site. 7. PixProfit. You can also work as a Captcha solver on PixProfit. However, you can't sign up right now. You can come back later and see if it's open or not. It is one of the best sites that pay more money for every 1,000 Captchas that are solved. 6. Captcha Typers. Captcha Typers is another great place to work as a solver of Captchas. As a Captcha solver for this site, you can make more than $200 per month. Captcha Typers is where you need to sign up if you want to work for this site. Once an admin account has been made. After that, you have to create a worker ID by logging in with your registered admin username and password. Next, you need to click on Masters and make a worker ID. Then, put in your payment information and you're ready to go. You can't use any third-party software to solve Captchas on this site. You'll be able to use the software they give you. Also, you have to type faster so that you don't run out of time. If you do, you'll be banned for 30 minutes. How much money you make will depend on the work you do and how much time you put into it. You have to make at least $1 before you can ask for your money. 5. ClinkUp. ClinkUp is a service with a 2-word Captcha, and the case of the words matters. This site will pay you every week. To get paid as a Captcha solver, you have to type at least 800 Captchas every week. Also, your account will be deleted if you don't use it for 4 weeks. 4. Bablo. If you want to work as a Captcha solver, Bablo is the best company you can use. Since they've been in business since 2007, they have no plans to leave. That means you can start working right away for this company. If you work for this company as a Captcha solver, you can make between 50 cents and $1 for every 1,000 Captchas you solve. As a Captcha solver for this company, the best thing is that you can make up to $300 per month. You just have to work quickly and solve as many Captchas as you can. Your money will be sent to you through Payza or WebMoney. So, don't be afraid to send in an application to work for this company. Lastly, to start working as a Captcha solver, you need to pass the simple test. 3. Protypers. Megatypers is a website like Protypers. It is a group of people who are experts at entering data. The main thing they do is turn scanned images of documents into text for institutions all over the world. They hire typers from all over the world, just like Megatypers. Megatypers is the same for the rest. So, with Megatypers, you can use this platform to work as a Captcha solver. 2. Megatypers. Another great company where you can work as a Captcha solver is Megatypers. It is a workforce management company that helps both private and public organizations enter data. They always want people from all over the world who can type. To work for this company, you need to be able to type at least 10 words per minute on a computer that can connect to the internet. There isn't a set time. You can work at any time. The faster you type, the more type credits you'll get, which you can trade for real money. How much money you make will depend on what you do. When you work, you'll earn more money. Their website says that each month, typists earn between $100 and $250 typer credits. Their payment rates start at 45 cents typer credits for every 1,000 Captchas you solve, and they can go as high as $1.50 typer credits for every 1,000 Captchas you solve. You can get paid through debit cards, bank checks, PayPal, WebMoney, Perfect Money, Payza, Western Union, and Payza. So, if you can type quickly, you can get a lot of typer credits, which you can trade for money. 1. 2 Captcha. 2 Captcha is one of the best places to find Captcha jobs. It will let you earn as little as 50 cents for every 1,000 Captchas you solve. Also, they have the most API for the most popular programming languages. You can make 38 cents for every 1,000 normal Captchas. You can make $1.01 for every 1,000 reCaptchas. To work for this company, you need a computer or phone that can connect to the internet. You also have to pass their easy, free training, which takes between 5 and 10 minutes. After you pass the test, you can start working as a Captcha solver by clicking the Start Work button. You can get your money back using WebMoney, Perfect Money, Bitcoin, AdCash, Uphold.com, Payer, and Erdm. You have to make at least 50 cents before you can ask for your money. Also, you don't have to pay any fees to 2 Captcha to get your money. So, work as a Captcha solver for this company and make money without putting any money down. So, that's it for today. If you like the video, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.